Okay, guys, good morning for all. Prepare your books on chapter 9, lesson 2, page 619. How we add like fractions. Prepare your books there, please. Yes, Jalal.
Mister, I don't do the exam. Can I do it at 4 o'clock?
Yeah. You have two models. You can do it at morning and you can do it at 4 p.m. But be careful, don't be late, okay? At 4 p.m. you be there.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, guys. Again, we are on chapter 9, lesson 2, page 619. Add like fractions. Prepare your books there. Kinan?
Yes.
Kinan, do you hear me
Yes.
very well?
Yeah, I hear you very well.
The board very well.
Yeah, it's clear.
Goodbye. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's start. Now, when I say, guys, add like a fractions, we know the add. The add is the addition. We know that, how to find the total between two things or two numbers or two values. Now, what's the meaning of like fractions? Like fractions. Okay, guys? Now, let's look here. Like fractions are. What are the like fractions? When I say like fractions, means fractions with equally or the same with the same denominators. Okay, guys? So the word like fractions means fractions with the same denominators. Like, for example, 3 over 7 and 4 over 7. Look here, guys, we have 7 and 7. Same denominators means these two fractions, we call them like fractions. Like fractions. For example, 1 over 10 and 7 over 10. 10. Same denominators means like fractions. So what are the like fractions? Two fractions or more with the same denominator. Okay, guys? Now, the unlike fractions means fractions with different denominators. Like, for example, 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. Here we have 5 and 7, means they have different denominators. These are unlike. Here, like. Here, unlike fractions. Okay, guys? Like, for example, how about the numerators? If we have same numerators, for example, 5 over 8 and 5 over 11. I have same numerators, but the denominators are different. So still unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So what are the like fractions again, guys? Like fractions means fractions with the same denominators. They have the same denominators, okay? It's important. So today we will add the fractions with the same denominators only. Next periods, we will add the fractions with different denominators like this. But today we will add the fractions like this, okay? Now, how we add the fractions with the same how we add fractions with the same denominators? To add fractions with the same denominators. Focus, guys, focus. It's important. To add the fractions with the same denominators, what we will do? First step, add the numerators. Add the numerators only. So first step, we will add the numerators. Second step, take one or no, put the same numerator. but the same denominator. Third step, which is important step, make simplest form for the answer. For the answer. Now, to understand these steps, focus with me and let's take this example. Focus, guys, focus. It's important. Example. How we will add these two fractions. For example, 7 over 12 plus 3 over 12. 7 over 12 plus 3 over 12. The denominators are the same, so they are like fractions. How we will add these two like fractions, guys? First, we said add the numerators. The numerators, we add them, okay? So this is equal, look here, guys. This is equal a fraction, 7 plus 3, 10. Second step, put the same denominator. Do not add down. Don't say 12 plus 12, wrong. So up we add 7 plus 3, and down we take one of them only, and we put 12. We don't add down. Do not add the denominators ever. Again, don't add the denominators ever. Only add the numerators, only. Don't add 12 plus 12. I said it more than 4 times. The 5th time. Do not add the denominators. Got it? We only add the numerators, only. So 7 plus 3, 10. And the two 12s, we take one of them only. This is step 1. We added the numerators, we put the same denominator. The third step, which is important step. This is important step. Don't add and stop. No. What you will do, you will make the simplest form. We took simplest form before. Make simplest form for the answer. This is the answer. So the next step, the last step, we will make the simplest form of the answer. Let's remember how we make the simplest form of the answer. We find the GCF of 10 and 12. Remember, guys, we took simplest form before. How we find the simplest form of the fraction? We find the GCF of 10 and 12, remember? So here I will make it 3-way. We did that before. This is 2 by 10. This is 2 by 4. This is 2 by 2. And we circle and find the GCF. 10 equal 2 times 10. Sorry, 2 times 5. This is 5, not 10. Sorry. And the 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, guys? We did that before. Now the GCF is 2. The GCF is 2. And if you remember, to find the simplest form, we took the GCF between the numerator and the denominator, and we divide up and down by 2. Like this. We did that before. Now 10 divided by 2, 5. 12 divided by 2, 6. This is the final simplified answer. This is the final simplified answer. This is important. This is very important. Okay. So how we add fractions with like denominators? We call them like fractions. First step, we add up. 7 plus 3, 10. Second step, we don't add down. Do not add 12 plus 12, wrong. Take them only. Okay, guys? After we find the first answer, we make simplest form of the answer. 10, 12, GCF, find it, then divide on it up and down as we did before. We did simplest form before, right? After you find the simplest form, this will be the final simplified answer. This is the correct answer, okay? Not this one, okay? The simplest form of the answer is the correct answer. Now, means 7 over 12 plus 3 over 12 equal 5 over 6. This is how we do like fractions. Now, let's go. While I'm answering your questions, let's do some exercises on page on page 620. We will do the odd numbers, yeah. But in 600, we will do question 1 and 2. Let's start with the question 1 in 620. Yeah. Question 1. We are on page 620, guys. Focus. Page 620. Question 1. We have 3 over 7. Sorry, 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Well, they wrote box over box like this. Now, I will add it. I will make it. Do it with me. Here I have 7 and 7. So they are like fractions. How we add like fractions? We add up 1 plus 3, 4. Down, we don't add. We take one of them, 7. This is the answer, 4 over 7. Now, let's make simplest form of 4 and 7 quickly. The 4 is 2 by 2. The 7 is 7 by 1. صح? So the 4 equal 2 by 2. The 7 equals 7. There is no common. So the GCF is 1, remember? And if the GCF is 1, what we said about this fraction already simplified. This is the final answer. This is the answer and the simplest form at the same time. So no need for this step, okay? We can erase it. No need for it. Question 2. Question 2, Don, we have question 2. Yalla, I'll start with you now. I'll start with Kinan. Yalla, Kinan.
1 over 4 plus 1 over 4.
1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal. Yalla.
2 over 4, but we have to make it in simplest form. It will be 1.
لحظة شوي, I didn't hear you. Yalla, what I will do?
We add the numerators and we take one of the denominators.
Yes, salam. 1 plus 1 is?
2, and we put 4.
4 plus 4. We say 4 plus 4?
No.
No, don't add the denominators. Take one of them, which is?
4.
4. Now, let's make simplest form of 2 and 4, right? Quickly.
Yeah.
The 2 is 2.
The
The 4 is 2 by 2. The 2 is 2. 4
factor
2 by
is
2.
2.
What's the GCF?
2 we
What's the
divide
GCF? 2.
is 2.
So we go here, divide up and down by 2, like this, guys. Look, up and down, we divide in the GCF, which is equal for what? Up
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Mumtaz. Now, after you finish, no need for this. You can erase it. Huh? This is only to get the GCF. This is a question 2. Goodbye. Now we'll go to the next page, page 621, guys. Thank you, Kinan. Page 621, question 3. All of you go there, please. Jalal. Jalal.
Yes.
Jalal.
Mister, hello. Mister.
يلا يا ابني. Question 3. What we have?
Yes. Page. Okay. Question number 3.
Quickly.
Add, write each sum in simplest form.
Good. This is the sum, guys. We will write it in simplest form. يلا. Question 3. Read يا ابني.
Okay. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6.
Plus 1 over 6 equal. What we will do? يا ابني?
2 over 6.
So up we add 1 plus 1, 2. 6 and 6, we take one of them. Now what we will make? What we will make here?
Find the GCF.
Yeah, let's find the GCF between 2 and 6. The 2 is 2, right? And the 6 is 2 by 3. The 2 equal 2, the 6 equal 2 times 3, right? What's the GCF?
2.
2. So what we will do here to find the simplest form? Hello? We found the
Mister, I
GCF of
was
the
not
numerator
hear
and the
you,
denominator.
so
What we will do, Yabni, to find the the simplest form?
I don't know.
After we find the GCF of the numerator and the denominator, we take it and divide up and
Divide
down by it. We
Yeah,
divide
now
up
it's
and
become
down by it.
yeah, complete.
This is equal 2 divided by 2, 1, 6 divided by 2, 3. So this is the answer. Copy it. Question 3.
Okay,
Question 5.
thanks.
Question 5. Yalla, we'll do the odd in this page. Question 5. Omar Samer.
Stop.
Yalla, ya Omar. Question 5.
We will add the 2 with
Say the question, Yabni. Say the question.
2 over 9 plus 3
2 over 9 plus
3 over 9.
3 over 9. Yalla, this is equal what?
5 over 9.
5 over 9. We add up and we take one number down. But can we make simplest form for 5 and 9?
Yes.
Type 5 is what? 5.
Yes.
And the 9 is a 3 add 5 into 3. Do we have common?
No.
No,
So
we
you
don't
put-
have common. Means greatest common factor is how much?
1.
1. If the greatest common factor is 1, can we make simplest form or it is already simplified?
It's simplified.
It is simplified, so we leave it. Got it? So guys, not all answers we can make simplest form. Sometimes we can make like this one. Sometimes we cannot, so we leave it. And after, I don't need this. So we leave it. This is question 5.
Okay.
Question
Thank you.
7. Thank you, Amma. Question 7, guys. Ziyad.
Yes.
Yalla read.
2 over 6 plus 2 over 6.
Good. 2 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Well, what we will do?
We will
Perfect.
add the numerator.
4.
It will be
And
4
down.
and we will take one denominator. So we'll take one. And we bring the GCF for 4 and 6.
Yalla. El 4, 2 by 2.
2.
6, 2 by
3 by
3.
2.
4, 2 times 2. 6 equal 2 by 3. So the GCF is what
It's
here?
2.
It is 2. So what we will do to find the simplest form here?
We'll make 4 divided 2.
And 6 divided by 2. How much up, down?
2
Over?
2 over 3.
Mumtaz. This is question 7, guys. We add, then we can find the GCF and divide on it up and down to find the simplest form of the answer. 2 over 3. This is question 7. Copy it, please. Question 9. Question 9. Ahmed Hamdi.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Ibni, do you understand the idea?
Yeah.
Yalla, question 9, read.
3 over 8 plus 1 over 8.
3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Mumtaz. Huh?
We will add 3 plus 1.
How much?
4.
Over
8.
8. Then,
We will make it simplest form.
yalla,
And the
how?
answer
By
is the
finding
4.
the GCF. The 4 is 2 by 2. The 8 is
Mister.
2 by 4. Yes.
No need خلاص, we know it.
How,
4.
what's the GCF? Do you know?
Yeah, 4.
Mumtaz. The GCF is 4. صح. So the GCF, guys, is equal to 4, right? After we make three-way. And here what we'll do after we find the GCF, yeah, Ahmad?
We divide 4 by 4.
And 8 by 4 equal?
1 over 2.
Mumtaz. Mumtaz. So question 9, guys, the answer is 1 over 2, the final simplified answer. If you know the GCF, guys, no need to do it. Divide directly. Divide directly. If you know the GCF, no need to do it. Divide على طول, okay? This is the question 9. Question 11. Question 11. Muhammad Daas.
Yes, mister.
Question 11.
4 over 9 plus 5 over 9.
4 over 9 plus 5 over 9.
Yeah.
4 over 9 plus 5 over 9 equal. يلا يا محمد.
4 plus 5 equal 9.
Over
9 over 9.
over 9 over 9. Good. طب 9 over 9 equals what?
We wanna simplify it.
يلا simplify. How much 9 over 9?
3.
كيف يعني 3؟
نساوي الجي سي اف، نطلع الجي
No
سي
need
اف.
to, no need to make يا ابني no need to make GCF. 9 over 9 the fraction is division, right? ركز معي يا حبيبي. يا حبيبي ركز معي لا تحكي ركز. Okay? Now the fraction is what يا محمد? Is division, right?
Yeah.
So when we say 9 over 9 means 9 divided by 9, right?
Yeah.
How much 9 divided by 9?
1.
1. So the answer is what for this fraction?
1.
Only. Got it?
Yeah.
So guys, if we have something like 7 over 7, this is division. 7 divided by 7, always 1. Right? If we have, for example, 8 over 2, this is division. 8 divided by 2, it is 4. No need to GCF in these cases. Don't forget that. The fraction is division. Numerator divided by denominator. But why we here make simplest form? Because the numbers up cannot divide on the numbers down. But here 9 divided by 9 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. But 2 over 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 8 is not 4. This is not equal to this. Here, do GCF, do simplest form. But here, no, divide normally. Don't forget that.
Okay, thank you.
This is question 11. Now, now let's do question 13. Down. We have a question 13. I will do it for you, okay? Question 13. Focus with me to know the idea. We have blanks, empty space, we need to fill it. Question 13, we have 5 over 12 plus 4 over 12. 5 over 12 plus 4 over 12 equals something over 3. Something over 4, sorry. Now, how we find what we have in the square here? Look, guys, and focus. Let's add these two fractions first. 5 plus 4, it is 9. Over, we take one denominator, is 12. Now we make simplest form of 9 over 12. The 9 is a 3 by 3. The 12 is 2 by 6, 2 by 3. So the 9 equal 3 times 3. The 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. So the GCF is what? Is a 3. We know that. Now I will go to my answer here and divide up and down by 3. Look here, guys. What we have now down, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. So down is 4, up it what? It will be what? Should be 3. So we do the answer normally, simplify, then compare with the wanted answer. This is question 13. Now, what I wanted from you guys for this lesson, Do the even numbers here and don't forget your homework. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye for all.